Hi, I'm Rob King. This is the Homebrew Master Plan Outtakes edition. If you haven't checked it out already, the link above will take you to the step-by-step guide to prepare your own DIY pumpkin ale. A delicious homebrew brewed up just in time for Halloween. This time we will face all the challenge of drinking and presenting at the same time. It was just too nice and went down too quickly, but do feel free to share your comments, like and subscribe. Cheers everyone. Hi, I'm Rob King. Oh, Michael.
The recipe did say just pumpkin. It didn't say 2 kilograms of roasted pumpkin, so I think we're probably okay. Yep, pretty solid. Wow, happy Halloween! Well, happy Halloween!
And very aromaful. Let's work this out. Oh no, I'll take that for lessons learned. All one of these chems. My wonderful and actually the first time that I've used liquid the raw pumpkin. Lesson number 3: use a circle. Don't use a circle. A circle or a square. Yeah, what matters? This is what I said. So lesson number 8: Brewfather calcs. I'll stop banging the bloody paper off the microphone. That's probably a good idea. It actually includes. I should stop now. Start again tomorrow. Deep breath. Take another drink. Oh, I need to put dinner on in 5 minutes. I better hurry up. Okay, where were we? Oh yes, I'm guessing, but I think the smile. I'm guessing, but I think I can't think. I can't think. Power settings on the or actually what I'm going to do is introduce white, not white. I didn't stick. The original gravity was. What was it again? Well, if you're still tuned in after watching all of that, congratulations, you deserve a medal. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy these homebrew videos. Do please like and subscribe. And God, this is getting harder. This is getting harder to do the more I drink. Shock. Assuming you haven't reached a comatose state after oh dear. Assuming you haven't reached a comatose I can't speak.